Greetings, generals. I'm so happy to talk with you again today. Today we're going to look at slope, but in particular in relation to graphs. Let's get started. First, we're going to order these businesses by their stock performance last night. We're going to start with worst on this end, leading up to best. And here's our graphs. Let's look at our hint. We need to make sure we assume that the X and Y axis are labeled identically on each graph. So again, think about what you know about slope. Pause the video until everyone has answered. Okay, let's look at the answer. Well, negative slope means it's basically worse. The business is going down. This first one actually has a higher starting of going down and with quickness. And this one had a lower start. So that's why it's better than this one. However, it starts to change and positive means it's going up. But this is actually going up a lot faster. So hence why it's the best. Not bad if you got the right answer. Let's try some more. Let's see if we can match the actual number or value of the slope based on these four graphs. All we need to do is actually match them with these four answers. And let's look at our first, at one of our hints. It's basically reminding me to make my triangle and then count my change in Y over my change in X. Okay, pause the video until everyone has answered. Okay, let's see the answers. The first one was 2 over 1, which is the same as saying 2. The second was 1 over 1, but it's also going in that negative direction. So it's -1. And again, going down 1 and over 2 in a negative direction. So -1/2. And then going up 1 and over 2 in a positive direction. So 1/2. Not bad if you got those answers right. Let's particularly go into detail of what we just did. Again, the slope is rise over run, which is basically the direction going up and down, which up 2 over my left to right or right 1. But remember, if it's 2 over 1 or any number over 1, we just say 2. Let's look at another one. Again, rise over run, but this time my line is going down, so that is -1, and then over 2, so -1/2. Let's see if you can do it. Find the slope of this line segment. Again, let's look at one of the hints. Pause the video until everyone has answered. Okay, let's look at the answer. Good job if you got -2/3. Let's do another one. No hints this time. Okay, let's see the answer. Slope is 8/3. Good job if you got that one right. And now let's do our final one. Find the slope of a line that passes through 2 points, -3, -4, and -2, 4. I'm going to have to do a little bit of work for this one. Before I actually try and walk you through this, see if you can answer. Pause the video until everyone has answered. Okay, first I actually have to place the dots on the coordinate. So -3, -4, and then -2 positive 4. And then again, I am counting up and then over. With that tip, double check your answer and see if you've gotten the answer correctly. Pause the video until everyone has had a chance to double check. Okay, let's look. You got it. The slope was 8. Good job again today, generals. Can't wait to talk to you again tomorrow.